Well, here it is, Park Plaza. I got the flimsy done. It's too big to even hang on my big window. Let me go in a little closer. It's just so pretty. Those pretty colors. Well, this will be the biggest one I'll ever have made. 112 by 112. I already checked with my long arm lady, and Mary can handle a 112, but she says, Marlene, don't make them any bigger. Won't fit. So, if you decide to do Park Plaza, make sure you do the seams just like they're supposed to, because somehow mine got 6 inches bigger. And it's got to be all the piecework. I must have just done too narrow of a seam. But anyway, it looks gorgeous. I love it, and I can't wait for it to be finished. All right, thanks for being along with this journey with me. It's done. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.